Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is on how to make this trendy backless halter neckline circle dress. You'll be needing your fabric, your tailor's chalk, your tape rule and your scissors. Fold your fabric into two. Fold again into triangular form. Input your shoulder measurements as seen here. Get the desired dress length and mark as seen here. Input your desired neckline. It can be 3 inches by 3 inches. Connect from the neck tip to armhole to form halter neckline. Input your bust measurement and connect to hemline as seen here. Cut it out as seen here. Add spiral or flip to the hemline as seen here. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Please support me by subscribing to this channel, like as well as share my videos. Thank you.